On autumn's edge here, this Fire Chief Arborvitae, oh, I'm so thrilled with it. It really turned fiery red and bronze in the winter. But now look at how it's starting to grow out. It's growing out green. That bronzing is starting to go away and it is turning that beautiful green, and the new growth is just wonderful. It's a pretty drift of the sunshine ligustrum in the back, and then it comes, it comes forward, and then the Kaleidoscope Abelia. So it's a wonderful rhythm and repetition of that gold that's back there and then moves. And then notice, I don't know if you noticed, Stuart, but these I have clipped rather tightly here, but those in the back I'm leaving free form. And who knows, maybe I'll start letting these go free form. I haven't decided that. Right now I just like them in a little bit tighter form. But yeah, this trio that I came up with last year, and we should probably do a screenshot on this trio, Stuart, because the Kaleidoscope Abelia, the orange Rocket Barberry, and the Fire Chief Arborvitae, this is brilliant. And it's brilliant in the winter, it's certainly brilliant in the fall. And as these get larger but not too large, I think it'll really be wonderful.